Hello everyone! Pop your heart out this Valentine's Day with this cute little 3D heart card. Start by taking an A4 size color paper and fold it this way. Draw half heart on it and cut along. Let us now fold them back in half. Apply glue on one side of these folded hearts and stick one on top of the other. Well, this is how it looks after we stick all our hearts. Now, take a piece of chart paper and fold it in half. Apply glue on one end of the 3D heart that we made and glue it to one side of the card. Same goes with the other side as well. That's it. Do you feel like doing it yourself? Then go ahead. Isn't it a crazily easy project? I hope you like this video. Hit the like button if you do. Comment and subscribe if you have not yet. This is your Sue signing off.